Switching from Uber Rideshare to Uber Eats is actually easier than most drivers think. If you already have a driver account with Uber, you don't need to start over. Just open the driver app, tap the menu in the top corner, and go to account. From there, select Work Hub. This is where you can explore different earnings opportunities, including Uber Eats. Simply tap on the delivery option and follow the prompts to activate deliveries on your account. Once activated, you might need to wait for approval or complete a quick background check if you haven't delivered before. Also, if your current vehicle is only approved for rideshare, you may need to add a bike, scooter, or other vehicle profile that works better for deliveries. You can manage this in the vehicle section of your profile. After that, you're good to go. Open the app, start accepting delivery requests instead of ride pickups. It's a flexible way to make money without passengers, and it's especially popular with drivers who want a more low contact experience. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe for more Uber Eats tips that actually make you more money. Drop a comment, and if you just switched, I'll reply with tips to get your first delivery fast.